veins, arteries that supply the brains or the structures in your cranial cavity. So you have the circle of Willis. Okay, so you have the circle of Willis. Okay? Sa under, sa sabi, ang forma ganyan niya guys, sa kana. Okay, so sa under siya. And mas more posterior. Okay, so you have the two vertebral arteries. Okay, the two vertebral arteries. And then, kani siya nasa center, you have the anterior spinal artery. Okay, the anterior spinal artery. Then, kanina sa sides, branches of your vertebral arteries, you have the anterior, inferior, cerebellar artery. Sakto? Kanina nasa sides, branches lang. Posterior spinal artery. Again. Sorry, you have the two vertebral arteries, then you have the anterior spinal artery, then yung counterpart, you have the posterior spinal artery. Arteries dahil. Posterior spinal. Okay, so you have the two vertebral arteries, you have the anterior spinal artery, then you have the branches of the vertebral artery sa sides, you have the posterior inferior cerebellar artery. Posterior inferior cerebellar artery. So the two vertebral arteries join to form, kanina na sa center, the basilar artery. Okay, you have the basilar artery. Then, wait lang siya. Kaning first branches sa imuhang basilar, sa Sir D, you have the anterior inferior cerebellar arteries. Anterior inferior cerebellar arteries. Then kaning gagmay na, you have the pontine arteries. Okay, the pontine arteries. Then if you proceed mas more upward, this one would be the superior cerebellar arteries. Superior cerebellar arteries. Then ang mas more pa up, you have the posterior cerebral arteries. Okay, so again, you have the two vertebral arteries. Then branches, you have the anterior spinal artery, posterior inferior cerebellar arteries. Excuse me. Then the two vertebral arteries fuse to form the basilar artery. So ang branches would be kanisa part, you have the anterior inferior cerebellar arteries, anterior inferior cerebellar arteries. Then kaning do kagagmay, you have the pontine arteries. Then you go up, kanisha on each side, you have the superior cerebellar arteries, then posterior cerebral arteries. Supposedly na siya posterior communicating. So wala tayo posterior communicating. Na mo-join or mo-connect sa posterior cerebral artery to the middle artery. Wala siya diri. So, ang makita ra would be kaning mas more part sa imong vertebral and basilar as well as your kanisha imong internal carotid artery. Kaning murag duha nga nilugsod. Okay, internal carotid arteries. So, ang kaning ni go sa sides of your internal carotid artery, you have the middle cerebral arteries. Okay, so you have diba the internal carotid artery. So, ang kana nasa sides niya, you have the middle cerebral arteries. Then, ang imuhang anterior, okay, so you have the internal carotid artery, the middle cerebral artery, then you have the anterior cerebral artery. Okay, kanigamay yung rasa ka. Para guys.